Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where keyboard is opening shortcuts instead of typing letters, then please watch this video. Now see, the clear reason for it is that sticky keys and filter keys are enabled. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Select keyboard in the right pane and switch off all these three switches. They should be off for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. Next one is to reinstall the keyboard drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for keyboard. Right click on the first one and then select uninstall device. Now click on action and scan for hardware changes. Right click on the second one, select uninstall device, action and scan for hardware changes. And the last one is, okay, there is no keyboard troubleshooter nowadays. So yes, these are the only two solutions you can try, but basically the first solution will fix the problem in 99% of the cases. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.